Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Mazda CX-5. Begin by disconnecting the battery and locating the belt routing diagram under the hood. Use a socket to relieve tension at the tensioner and note the belt path carefully. Inspect pulleys and remove the old belt slowly. Keep a clean workspace and have a replacement belt ready before reinstallation. Start by rotating the tensioner clockwise to release belt tension while keeping a stable grip on your wrench. Carefully slide the belt off the alternator, idler, and a /C pulleys one at a time to avoid mishaps. Take note of the belt routing diagram and compare the old belt for wear and rib damage. Clean pulley grooves and spin pulleys by hand to check for rough spots or play. Route the new belt around the crank, alternator, power steering, and idler pulleys following the diagram precisely. Rotate the tensioner to create slack, then slip the belt over the final pulley and release the tensioner slowly to apply proper tension. Double-check that each rib sits squarely in its pulley groove and that the belt tracks true. Start the engine briefly to confirm smooth operation and recheck tension after a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.